Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put this adapter onto your mower deck. Now I have a Cub Cadet zero turn. It's a 54-inch deck. If you missed my video going over this when I first got it, I will attach it here. These are the two products you're going to need to buy. I found this on Amazon. It's just a basic adapter. I think it doesn't matter what brand mower you have, but it just simply looks like this. You're also going to need something that attaches to your hose. One end has threads on it there, and the other is like a quick connect that this is going to attach to like that. The receptacle for this is right here. You're going to need some type of a socket to get that off. It's a 5/16. Now I'm going to use my impact driver. If you don't have one, you could also do this manually. If you have a socket set, same thing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get a close up and show you how easy this is to do. Okay, so here's what this piece looks like up close. And all you have to do is loosen it. Make sure you hang on to that. This part just comes right off. Mine's a little bit fused onto there. All right, mine's really dirty. I'm going to hang on to this though. I have a bag that has the manual and any little pieces part, so I'm going to make sure I keep that if ever I want to take this off. We had a whole bunch of rain. My grass was super high, and I finally was able to cut it, but it really made a mess. So this is like perfect timing for this. I really need it. So this side is up. This is where this is going to go back through. But as you'll see, there's like a tiny lip on there that's going to catch when I put it there. And it just seats. Very simple. I'm surprised. I've had this a couple years. I'm surprised it took me so long to get this. And then all you do is go ahead and attach it back. Okay, that seems about good. And then you can leave this on if you want to. I'm probably going to leave mine on. And then anytime I need to wash this, I'll go ahead and put this on. So I am going to give it a whirl. One thing that's really important, when you go to wash this, you want to lower your deck all the way to the ground. That way the water stays underneath. All right, so again, I'm going to make sure I hang on to this. All right. Okay, that's on there pretty good. And I'm going to want to make sure, because when you do this, the blades are going to be running. So I'm going to make sure to get this hose out of the way. I've had a lot of bad luck with running things over in my yard. So that's the last thing I need. So I'm going to make sure that this hose isn't anywhere close, and make sure I turn on my water. Okay, water on. Okay. All right, here we go. All right. All right. I had to stop because it is going to start raining. I want to make sure that I get my pressure washer and clean off my driveway. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but I could actually hear like little pieces breaking off and coming out. So I do need new blades. That'll probably be one of my next videos, is how to change the mower blade. Now that that's attached, I will probably do that every time I mow, because obviously you want to keep your deck pristine from underneath. Oof, Lordy, man, that was crazy. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. You can also find me across all of the major social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.